The Google Pixel 10 series has already made its way to the market, and while many are exploring the premium models, a lot of attention is already shifting to the upcoming Pixel 10a. This is Google's budget-friendly phone expected to arrive in 2026. However, early leaks suggest that the Pixel 10a might feel a little underwhelming compared to its competitors. Still, there are a few features that could make it a very strong option if Google decides to include them. The Pixel series has always been about balancing affordability with useful features, and the Pixel 10a will need to get this balance just right. Three features in particular could completely change the perception of this phone and make it worth buying. Let's take a closer look at them. The first and most important area is AI tools. Google made a huge deal out of AI with the Pixel 10, powered by its Gemini system. Some of the most interesting features include Magic Queue and Camera Coach. Magic Queue is like a proactive assistant that doesn't just respond to questions, but actively helps with tasks and advice. Camera Coach, on the other hand, gives real-time guidance on how to take the perfect shot in any condition. These are the kinds of features that make a phone feel modern and intelligent. The problem is that leaks suggest the Pixel 10a might come with the Tensor G4 chipset, instead of the newer Tensor G5. If that turns out to be true, then the Pixel 10a may not support these AI features at all. That would be a big loss. Google has advertised Gemini and its AI tools heavily, so leaving them out of the 10a would weaken the appeal of the phone. Some people don't care about AI features, but many do. For a budget phone in 2026, having these tools could be the difference between standing out or getting lost in a crowded market. The second feature that the Pixel 10a needs is a better display. One of the biggest complaints about the Pixel 9a was its outdated look. The resolution and refresh rate were fine, and brightness levels were decent, but the bezels were just too thick. They made the phone look old and cheap, even though the hardware inside was solid. In today's smartphone market, first impressions matter. Competing devices like the iPhone 17e and the Galaxy S6 FE will have modern designs, so the Pixel 10a cannot afford to fall behind. This doesn't mean the bezels need to be as thin as those on premium flagships, but they should at least be slim enough to make the phone look current. Buyers don't want to spend money on a device that looks outdated on day one. A better screen-to-body ratio would go a long way in making the Pixel 10a more appealing. The third key feature is the battery. While many companies are releasing slimmer phones with smaller batteries, Google shouldn't follow the trend with the Pixel 10a. The Pixel 9a actually surprised many people with a 5100 mAh battery, which was even larger than the one in the regular Pixel 9. The Pixel 10, meanwhile, has a 4970 mAh capacity, which is fine but not impressive in today's market. Battery life is one of the most important aspects of a smartphone. People expect their devices to last through a full day of heavy use, and in 2026, some phones will be offering 8000 mAh or even 10,000 mAh batteries. Google doesn't need to go that far, but the Pixel 10a should at least match the Pixel 9a's 5100 mAh battery. Cutting down on capacity to make the phone slimmer would be a mistake. Users buying a budget device value practicality, and long battery life is a big part of that. Now, what about the features that don't really matter as much? Some things can stay the same without causing any problems. For example, the Pixel 10a can keep the same exterior design as the 9a, as it already looks clean and functional. The same resolution and refresh rate on the display would be fine, as long as the bezels are fixed. The same camera setup would also work, even if it isn't groundbreaking, because Google's software processing usually makes photos look great anyway. Dual speakers, a 6.3-inch display size, and similar weight are all acceptable to. At the end of the day, the Pixel 10a doesn't need to be revolutionary. It just needs to be smart about the areas that matter most, keeping Google's Gemini AI tools, offering a display that doesn't look outdated, and maintaining at least the same strong battery capacity as the Pixel 9a are the three features that can make this phone stand out. Budget phones succeed when they deliver the essentials without cutting corners where it counts. If Google manages to include these three things, the Pixel 10a could easily become one of the best affordable smartphones of 2026. But if it misses on AI, sticks with thick bezels, and cuts down the battery, then it risks being left behind in a very competitive market.